well stimulation and hot work or critical work. These all to be because when doing well stimulation, it should be prohibited. Well testing.
Okay.
That the hot work has to be, or any type of general work near the location has to be prohibited.
Okay, because it may have hydrocarbon, yeah? Okay.
Hydrocarbon. That's what the perforation and other things. We have you put capture as yes, this has to be done like that, and perforation also.
Okay. For perforation, I mean, earlier, if you have seen that we have put R10 for use and handling of explosive material. So I'm using put, or you are make it P.
P. Perforation will be there.
But what is the reason
well
for
operation?
P?
Well operation. Doing the well operation.
Okay. So this is just for my knowledge. Why do you want to prohibit it? Because this has got
because we are going to handle the explosives and we are going to do the zone preparation reservoir. It's live. That's why there will be hydrocarbon will be at the top surface, and during this time this activity. But only thing, the distance part will be, it's only near to the well operation area.
Okay.
But Vijay, this is if you're prohibiting on the whole well pad, yeah. I mean, if you put a restriction, then for that particular row it can be restricted, but the project team can do work on the other areas.
Yes, that's okay. That's fine. Only the well pad area. This we are talking about only the well pad area.
No, but yeah, even on the well pad we have different rows, right? So I mean, if you prohibit, then the whole well pad will be out of operation.
No, only during that particular well pad and our surrounding part. That's what the distance is to be. We have to confirm that one. I'm not saying that anything. The entire area.
No, that's why the previous R8 or R10. We can define the area, which area or which particular row, yeah, rather than prohibiting completely.
We had R10 for explosive use.
Yeah. Because, for example, if you're working on row 2, then the whole row 2 can be out of operation, and not the whole well pad.
And Vijay, I tell you, since this is construction versus well operation, this may not be applicable, to be honest, like well activation, as we discussed in the beginning, because you are not